Hey guys, so today we're doing a wig review on this Outre ISABELLA. I have the color DR4 Blonde Golden Honey. So fresh out the pack, I was looking at this wig and I was impressed, y'all. Like, this color is everything. Do you see this blonde? It has these face framing highlights and it's nice and flowy. So this cap construction is just like all the melted hairlines. I was thrown off with the band. It was kind of in the front of the combs, but the band is kind of right at the top of the wig, and then you get the combs on the side. It's a nice thick band, and you also get that lace part in the middle. So putting it on, I realized why they put the band probably at the top, because it really was flat to my head. I like the texture of this wig. I was really shocked too, because this is actually a yaki textured wig, and I didn't expect it to be yaki, but it definitely is yaki. But I like how flowy it is, even though it is so thick. So let's just take a minute to appreciate this blonde. Do y'all see this blonde? I love these highlights in the front, the dark root. That number 4 color was a really good color they put at the top. So I just went ahead and cut that lace off. I didn't do anything special because it is a bob. And I also went in with my Ebin New York tint spray. You can use makeup or powder here, but I like to use lace tint spray just to kind of match it to my skin. And I also did go in with a wig grip because of the sliding. I didn't do any glue on this wig, guys. I did this glueless and it laid really flat to my head. I used to be really afraid of blondes, guys, but depending on the kind of blonde you get, it's just magic. Look at this blonde. This blonde is everything. So now I'm gonna go in with some powder just to kind of get that cast to go away. I'm using my contour powder actually, and it blended really well. I like the fact that it's a number 4, so it just melted right in. Do you see the difference between that side versus that side? It just really blended the whole wig. Like, I didn't do any glue, I didn't do anything except just powder, and it came to life. Yeah, girl, get it. So it's a good texture and a good everyday length. It kind of reminds me of Skye, but only yaki. I just wanted to show you guys how totally glueless this is. I just kind of put the powder in the front, and look at this. Look at this. Seriously. On and gone wig. So you can totally glue down this wig if you choose to get more of a melted effect. I didn't feel like it was necessary, but do what you feel like you need to do. Really simple, really easy, beginner friendly. Let me know what you guys think. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.